Welcome back, guys, and for those that are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification icon. Majority of you must have heard of arbitrage but don't know how to take advantage of this. And if you don't know what arbitrage is, this video will explain everything about arbitrage and now you can make thousands of naira daily. So what is arbitrage? According to Wikipedia, in economics and finance, arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of difference in prices in two or more markets, striking a combination of matching deals to capitalize on difference. The profits being the difference between the market prices at which the unit is traded. We all know that since federal government placed restriction on crypto, the black market rate of US dollar is more than 2 times the bank rate, and this has given room for some traders to take advantage of this and they make thousands of naira daily. I'll be explaining the process where you can make thousands of naira daily with arbitrage trading and with the sites that you need to make this money. Let's get right into it. We will be using an e-commerce site called buy.com. As you can see, there are lots and lots of goods that are from vendors that are posted here, and all you have to do is to just buy one of them. Let me teach you how this is. This price of this Samsung S8 Gold is 225,000 naira. The price of these bulbs are 1,600 and 1,800 naira respectively. The price of these sneakers is 20,000 naira. Now let me show you a simple step. So all you have to do, this is 225,000 naira, right? If you change this to dollar, as you can see that the price of this phone has changed to $540 from 225,000 naira to $540. Now let's do a quick math. 225,000 naira is the price divided by 540. You can see that the price of $1 on this e-commerce site is 416.66 naira, whereas the black market rate is $743 minus 416.6. Let me just say 417. You can see that this is extra 326 naira per dollar. So the scope here is to just open an account for yourself on this site. You can be a vendor yourself. So all you have to do is to just be a vendor, post a picture of any goods that you are buying, and also use another phone. Make sure you are using two phones. Don't use one phone just for safety purpose. Use two phones. You can also use your friend phone on anyone. One for a vendor and the other one to order. When you place a order for this phone, you can put a picture of your phone or shoe or clothes, anything. If you place an order using the dollar, make sure you change it from naira to dollar at first, then you place the order for this. Then let's just say we are using this guy as an example, and $540 gets deposited to your account at the rate of 416.66 naira, which is the dollar rate. And so when you have $540 in your account, you will go to you can send the $540 to your binance, and then you can sell it $540 for 401,360. Lots of traders are using to make thousands and thousands of money every single day. You can do this twice or 3 times a day, 10 times a day. You can make millions from this. This is a very, very cool process to make millions. So if you are new to this, don't sleep on these updates now. And that's all I have to share for you guys. For those that are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell. Have a nice day.